Welcome back to Procurement Doodles. We've talked a lot about selecting consulting firms, but what if you only need one expert, not a whole team? Today, Chapter 4, Selection of Individual Consultants. 1. One-person icon, no team. 2. A no symbol over a group of people, no outside support. 3. A star and certificate, experience and qualifications are key. 4. A solo worker, no coordination needed between individuals. Individual consultants are the right choice when a team isn't required, no outside professional support is needed, experience and qualifications are the main factor, and you don't need coordination or shared responsibility between multiple people. The process is simpler than for firms. First, prepare the TOR and cost estimate, just like any method. Then, advertise for national experts, especially for assignments over 1 year. For international roles over 6 months, advertise both locally and internationally. Select by comparing qualifications of 3 or more candidates. Interviews are recommended whenever possible. Sometimes, you can select an individual without competition, a sole source. This is allowed only in exceptional cases. Natural continuation of previous competitively selected work. Assignments lasting less than 6 months. Emergency situations. Natural disasters. When only one individual is qualified. Always use a formal contract, not just a letter. It must include remuneration, direct expenses, leave, insurance, and per diems, and the terms of reference. For very small routine assignments, a letter of appointment is acceptable, but still cover all the key terms. Committee National International, CPCC, 30 million or more, 50 million or more. CPCM, less than 30 million, less than 50 million. CPCD, less than 10 million, less than 20 million. CPCP, less than 6 million, less than 10 million. CAO, less than 3 million, less than 6 million. AOPD, less than 2 million, less than 6 million. As per Supplement 01, December 2025, the approving authority depends on the contract value. For a national individual contract worth 30 million rupees or more, the CPCC decides. For smaller assignments, lower committees have authority. Those are the essentials of selecting individual consultants: simple, transparent, and fit for purpose. Next, we'll look at procurement preparedness and planning, because good procurement starts long before you issue the RFP. Stay tuned. Smart procurement builds a better Sri Lanka. See you next time. Hey, if you want to never miss a future upload, hit that red subscribe button, then click the bell icon right next to it. From the pop-up, choose all notifications. That way, every time we drop a new video, you'll get an instant alert. Let's grow together. Subscribe and turn on the bell now.